Welcome back to 8482 Tutorials. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to sign up and join TikTok affiliate to create content for products and then earn commission off of them. So initially you want to be on your profile on TikTok, go to the top right corner with these three bars, click on that, and then click on Creator Tools. Now you're brought to the Creator Tools setting menu, and now you're looking for TikTok Shop Creator. Click on that, and now you'll be able to see if you qualify for TikTok affiliate. I meet the community guidelines, and I am over 18, but I don't have 5,000 followers. So you need 5,000 followers to be able to start affiliating for TikTok Shop products. Once you have 5,000 followers, you can click apply and then do the sign up process. And now you can go and have access to the TikTok affiliate program where you can choose any type of product you want and then start creating videos for that product and earn great commissions off of each sell that you'd make. So guys, if you guys have any questions, please comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.